So Rasta, where are you right now?
Timbuktu.
This is my first hiking in a while. And we are hiking to Wellington Hills in St. Mary. Join me on my journey. 1.6 1,600 1.6 miles up there. Here we go.
I don't know about yeah.
Load up.
I say, hey, see opportunity to know where you go to. Me not touch that. Somebody hey. But I'm gonna drive. I think it was a guitar. But the reason I like it from the guitar. The guitar. You were chased. Fire shot. Fire was returned.
Road Chronicles.
Alright, cool. Anytime I go to that, nothing to say. I will pay your hands to find something. You finally find it there.
Finally find something. Take the opportunity.
Observe the map around there.
Alright. So I'm half mile in and just playing it really cool, you know, really tough. Tired, but going like me tired. Can hear the jinglings. All of the ice in the water melt already. It's like it's walking as well. It's pretty fun and exciting so far. Hiking like this, tell some stories and have some nice give some nice joy to distract yourself from the distance and the walking and get in there, you know. I'd say something like crazy, but it doesn't look like it. Yes. Hills and valleys, you know. Getting there slowly but surely. Bush. Bush. And hook or the crook. Ready. Where there is no road, you have to make road. Survival of the fittest, you know? Say that I got one yesterday. Jabuta is yellow and me is gone. There we go. Still with us. Where there's no road, you have to make one. There we go. These are ferns. For those who don't know, pretty typical plant, bush, weed in Jamaica, whatever you classify it as. Yep. So we're trying to get across there so we can start up there. Like I said, there's no road, so you have to make one. Could you have survived this long? Comment in the comment section below. Please remember to like and subscribe for more lifestyle videos, whatever I do. Whatever I do, you'll do as well. Let's go. Now let me see. These are called boar wires. Classic fence from back then. You know, when you see this, this is where somebody property ends or begins. Goes all the way up there and down. Well, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. When I walk in these places, I gotta watch your steps. See that? Step over. Get juke. In Jamaican terms. Literally juke, you know? Make it mean more than that. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Getting somewhere. Getting somewhere. Slowly but surely. Getting there. To get across that. Catch the technique, you know. 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 Well, you may not be able to see what's going on here, but there's some bow wires and you have to get across. Well, no part of it. Unfortunately, I have to end this here to get across this. See you soon. So yeah, we continue. Of course, you know, your Chadin deals most likely buck up a Rasta man. So we've met one and he's familiar with the, let's say, area, the hills. So we are just, he's leading the trail right now. Slowly but surely. Getting there. Yes, Joe. I'm gonna take my good self-care. Come on, bush. But part of our culture, part of our nature, some would say. Some would never say that. Some would like the idea of it, but this is what it is. And place and none you so check. So then could catch her, you know. Can't imagine this. Survival of the fittest, boy. Woo. Yeah, man. Fit like a fiddle. Going all the way up there. Looking like we're heading into the clouds. Guys, hands tired again. See you again soon. Tired is an understatement. On top of a hill right now. This is our view.
Just bear the burn and don't trouble.
Trying to show you our junk right here.
You swallow? It swallow?
Ah. Alright. Alright, so we're heading up and up and up. Closer and closer to the clouds. Alright. Life form is still here. We have the wasps. Can you see them? Guys, when last hike? When last have you hiked?
Oh, and that. Guy, you know, married you. You be energy every minute. Only road we see now.
Paris, I'm not tired because I'm not married. So I need to get married soon. Oh, dead. You know what? Let's stop that topic right here. Pick up my future wife, you know? Yeah. So Rasta, where are you right now?
Timbuktu. Wellington Hill.
Wellington, yeah, Wellington top.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, and tell
But
me.
you know a place, man?
I'm up shit,
Wellington top.
Wellington top.
Mm.
So what is this place about? What is it? What is there any significance of Wellington top?
I tell you, this man farm up here on this ordinary land.
Okay.
You get a review one that so you want over him. There's a double top over there, so you can see everywhere from that side to go.
Oh yeah. Okay. Nice.
Over the sun, then let's see from the sun go back.
So the people want to know if Nanny.
And when I say a cascade, go back to Labyrinth.
Labyrinth.
Okay. Is this where Nanny is from?
No, sir.
We must study me, we must study English. We find this side of map.
Yeah, right. Alright, bless the prosper. So yeah guys, still on our way. It's a little flat now. Oh, at least it's cool in here. It's pretty cool. Wow. So we reach our destination. Hilltop.
Can't believe this.
Nature lovers. Unfortunately, there's no view because of these trees and weeds and so on, but enjoy what you can see. Alright. Destination reach. Whew. Big up on yourself. Thank you for journeying with us. If there's any nice view along the way going back down, I'll definitely show it to you. But if not, this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, enjoy.